rice.
Bring some rice to boil.
And I forgot. Fuck the salt, man. I just memory. Yeah.
Cutting away the stem and the seeds. That's what you're doing. You're cutting away the stem and the seeds.
Yeah. Well, you gotta make the hole to put the rice and.
Yeah.
So we put the sauce on the rice and that's it, and nothing else in it.
Well, I don't know. You tell me. Drain the rice.
Yeah, put the whole thing. Let me show test good.
Mm-hmm.
Can get a spoon a little. It's not that I'm leaving tomorrow. I got time.
Yeah. Well, you're leaving soon.
Yeah. I want to make more sauce. I have time.
Yeah. Looks good to me.
This one is.
Well, let's
Are
watch
you holding it?
Let's watch you do it.
Okay, this is your dinner for tomorrow night.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah. I put salt on a paper. I don't know if I need salt or not. I put it on the rice.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's full.
Yeah.
They look pretty.
They look beautiful. Wow, those look good.